Wow. That was close. Guys, in the video, the car is going uphill and preparing to enter the main road. Just then, it encountered a small cart, preparing to exit the main road. At the moment his car turned, a large tanker suddenly appeared. Boom! It slammed into the side of the small grey car, and pushed the small grey car directly to the side of the road. The scene was quite thrilling. Fortunately, it was only grazed by the truck. Fortunately, the truck stopped steadily. With no turn, if there had been any. Then unfortunately this situation, the little black car could have become a pancake, turning vehicles over yield to straight paths, and it was even cutting off the truck. The black car driver is really driving, very willful, in a tunnel. For some reason, the right lane was congested. Then a young man on a motorcycle appeared, but he didn't slow down at all. As a result, he slammed directly into the back of the white car. The young man flew directly into the white car's cabin through the rear window. This scene is both sad and absurd. Sad and laughable. I really couldn't hold back, bro. I laughed like a pig. The whole family is riding a small tricycle, ready to go out. At this moment, we can see the tricycle. Surprisingly, there are 5 people on its small body. This can be said to be seriously overloaded. Friends who often watch Dogcoin know this situation. If nothing unexpected happens, an accident is about to happen. Just as they were staggering along. Midwest, 345,678 meters away. The tricycle suddenly veered sharply to the left, and drove directly into the pond next to it. All 5 people on the car were not spared. All fell into the water, became drenched. 2 women were riding electric bikes together. They were laughing and talking as they came from afar. As they were going, suddenly they seemed to see something. Immediately, a yellow bike came out of the green belt. After the yellow bike broke a small tree, it stopped after riding on a tricycle. The impact was quite strong. The 2 female cyclists were so frightened that they almost turned around and went home to find their mothers. Needless to say, the driver must have mistaken the accelerator for the brake. A typical move of a road killer. Fortunately, he didn't hurt anyone. Thank goodness. A bus is speeding down the road. Suddenly a tricycle loses control and crashes into the front tire. It looks like the person riding the tricycle is going to hell. In this situation, is the bus responsible? Experienced friends, please discuss in the comments section. Thank you. A Korean grandpa is leisurely strolling on the road in a wheelchair. His speed is about 0.8 miles per hour. He feels free and at ease. But the tanker driver is really helpless. He can only obediently follow behind. In this situation, watching the idea, I couldn't tell who the king of the road was for a moment. A group of cows are crossing the road. One right, one left. 2 cars are also stopped, yielding. At this moment, a bus suddenly rushed out. The driver completely ignored the herd of cows. Without a care in the world, they unhesitatingly forced their way through the cows. The black car that had been waiting also immediately joined in, following closely behind the bus, and passed through the herd. We don't know why they are in such a hurry. We shouldn't ask. Let's talk about this white car driver, who is unhurried. Unfazed and unconcerned, he just waits quietly and waits and waits, without the slightest stir. He waits until the last cow passes. To be frank, in terms of cars, the white car is the lowest class. But in terms of character, the white car driver is the most noble. Next is a fan submission. First of all, I want to thank you all, brothers. Thank you for your support of Dogby. Let's get back to the topic. At this moment, our video car has just completed a left turn, and a small black car comes into view. It crosses 2 lanes, and drives straight in front of the video car, taking the video car's lane, forcing the video car to slow down. One look at the driver, and you know he's a typical dandelion player. Wherever he drives, that's my home. Fortunately, our fan friends are relatively stable emotionally, and chose to yield to him. If it were a bad-tempered car owner, definitely 1 foot on the accelerator, to teach him a lesson. Cut.